Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. To obtain a high resolution map, we merge panchromatic bands and multichromatic bands using the method I will demonstrate. Let's go. From add data, we go to our folder, watch. Okay, first we add multichromatic image 22, 33, 44, add data, create pyramids, yes. Yes. Okay, then in the same way we add panchromatic diff, add data, diff 1, diff 2, 3, 4, add. You will notice that the first time the program will take some time to build pyramids for the images, but in subsequent times the pyramids will be built quickly. And once the pyramids are built, we notice that the image has high clarity. After that, we go to right click and select data frame properties. From map here, right click, data frame properties, choose the coordinate system and use import from here to define the coordinates using any of our previous TIFF file. For example, one TIFF, add, then apply, OK. We also can change the display format to the UTM system. Right click, data frame properties, go to general, display, we can make it meters, kilometers, decimal degree, we will make it UTM, apply, OK. As you notice here, we come on UTM format, XY. Next, we create a composite band. We go to Arc Toolbox. We create a composite band for the map as we did in the previous video by going to Arc Toolbox, Data Management Tools, Raster Processing, Composite Bands. 4. These are panchromatic images. Then add multichromatic images, 12 TIFF, then press OK. Composite bands. We go to table of contents, right click, properties, general source, extent, display, symbology, red, make it 3, green 2, blue 1, then apply OK. From table of content, deactivated the other TIFF images. For greater clarity, We perform band sharpening by going to Arc Toolbox again. Then Data Management Tools. Then raster processing, and selecting Create Band Sharpen Raster Data Set. Input raster, input composite band, panchromatic images. We select one of our panchromatic, for example 1 TIFF. Okay. Chromatic. We move on to the second part of the video, where we will plot the locations of drill holes and trenches. I will explain how to plot the results of sample analysis, whether for gold or other economic minerals. We go to File, Add Data, Add XY Data, Browse. We will start by adding points of diamond drilling holes. Moody drilling holes, add, sheet, add. Okay, okay. See here. We control the shape of our holes, the shape and argon color from here. Properties, right click, properties, symbology, simple. For example, make it green. Make it 13, circle, okay. Apply, okay. Label features, DDH 20, DDH 18, 19, DDH 17, and so on. Then we add trenches in the same manner. File, add data, add XY data, browse, Moody trench, star point from here, add, sheet, add. Okay, okay. Also adjusting the point shapes from the properties and displaying their name from activating labeling. From here, right click, properties, sample, for example, make it circulus point, make it 10, okay. Labels, make it 10, 11, apply, okay. Is our trench. Activate labeling from here, right click, label features, MT8, MT9, 10, 11, 12, MT13, 14, and so on. Now starting the drawing the lines between endpoint and star point from editor. Go to catalog first. Right click, new shapefile. For example, Moody, name Moody trench, point, polyline. Define coordinates through import, edit, import, import. Choose any of our div images. Okay, okay. From editor, start editing, choose Moody Trench. Okay. From here, create feature. Active Moody Trench and start to draw our lines. Start point, end point, MT9, MT10, start point, end point, MT11, start point, end point. Right click here, zoom to layer, take this, take Moody Trench, start point, end point, start point, end point, double click here, take this hand, MT14, active Moody, start point, end point, MT15, start point, end point, start point, MT16, end point, MT17, start point, end point, and right click, delete sketch, and MT18, active Moody Trench, start point, end point, MT19, start point, end point, and so on. By the way, the drawing trench line crucial for preparing a detailed geological map. After that, we go to editor, save edits, stop edit, close, create feature. From here, this is our trench. As an additional note, trench lines are always drawn horizontally relative to the direction of the ore deposit. Also, in official reports, clarifying trench lines or ditches is extremely important. Afterwards, we proceed to map the positive analysis results to pinpoint their location within the exploration square. We go to add data, add XY data, browse, Moody positive result, add positive result, add, okay, okay. These results are measured in parts per million ppm. By right click the icon, we can adjust the shape and color. Right click, properties, simple, make it for example blue, 16, okay. Apply, okay. Zoom to layer. As you can see, these are all positive results on our block. Next, we navigate to symbology. Click on, right click, properties, symbology, quantities, activating color gradient enables us to discern areas with high concentration of gold by the size and color of the icon. Larger icons mean higher gold concentrations, as you see from here. AU Garden sample, breadths, proportionals, AU. Apply. Okay. Zoom to layer. We can change color from here. Make it, for example, smaller icon means lower concentration. Make it yellow. From 1.8 to 3.4, make it, for example, blue. 3.4 to 8.4, make it, for example, purple color. Okay. 8.8 to 25, make it pinkish color. Higher one, for example, make it blue color. Okay. Or we can make it red color. Okay. Larger icon indicate higher gold concentrations in the area, while smaller icon indicate denote lower concentration at the sampling location. They are also result of chip sample, file, add data, add XY data, browse, chip samples analysis, add, AU ID, sheet, AU, add, okay. It's our chip sample also. Thank you very much for watching. See you in another lesson. Overthinking kills your happiness.